Good afternoon from Dubai, guys. I have to say thank you too much for 563 people for follow me on my YouTube channel. And today I want to show you Dubai from the sky, so beautiful on top there. And enjoy with my video, guys. Okay, now we are right.
Heli Dubai, yeah. Coming inside, yeah. Exciting, isn't it? Are you the pilot?
No.
Okay.
I'm a ground crew.
Ground crew. Do you know if there's many people coming to this next flight?
Depends what's your booking.
Oh,
You are sharing?
Sharing, yeah.
Sharing, okay. Most probably, it's a 5-seater aircraft.
Yes.
Plus the pilot.
Yes.
4 in the back, 1 in the front.
Ah.
And with sharing, most probably
Yeah.
more people with you.
How do we book the front seat for her because it's her first time? Is that possible?
You can request the customer service inside.
Ah, okay.
It depends on the weight and balance.
Yeah, sure.
Enjoy.
It's a very big moment for her in her life.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Enjoy.
We've arrived at Heli Dubai. We're going to do a helicopter tour over Dubai. 17 minutes long. I think it's going to be exceptional because what a city to fly over. It's your first time in a helicopter. How excited are you?
Oh, a lot.
How many percent?
100%.
100% excited, yeah?
Yes.
And do you think you're going to be scared?
No, not scared.
Not
Because
scared?
I do something in Turkey before. I think scared.
Just remember, close the door and lock the door.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all you need to remember.
Before go inside helicopter, this is what people do. Just check my weight. I don't know why.
How much food have you eaten in Dubai?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Look like airport.
Well, is this an airport?
I am ready. I am so excited. Let's go.
Rose, what do you think of your first helicopter ride?
I said it is so good. If you come here, you have to try. I think number one thing to do in the Dubai.
The number one thing in Dubai at
Yeah.
Heli Dubai.
Yes.
Wow.